Hello space lovers, welcome to my channel Sci-Fi Info. Today's topic is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in the solar system and the second smallest solid planet. It is a cold terrestrial planet with polar ice caps of frozen water and carbon dioxide. Mars is named after the mythological Roman god of war because it appears of red color. Due to its brightness and closeness to Earth, Mars has been documented for at least 4.000 years. Thus, it is impossible to credit someone with its discovery. However, the first person to observe Mars with a telescope was Galileo Galilei in 1610. It is named after the Roman god of war due to its red appearance. In different cultures, Mars represents masculinity, youth, and its symbol is used as the symbol for the male gender. Due to the effects of the iron oxide prevalent on Mars's surface, it has a reddish appearance distinctive among the astronomical bodies visible to the naked eye. It takes sunlight about 13 minutes to reach Mars. The diameter of Mars is 6.779 kilometers. The gravity on Mars is about 38% of Earth's gravity. Mars has a density of 3.93 grams per centimeter cubed, lower than Earth's density. One day on Mars is completed within 24.6 hours. Mars has seasons, though they last longer than on Earth since Mars takes longer to orbit the Sun. The seasons vary in length due to Mars's elliptical, egg-shaped orbit around the Sun. Its atmosphere is mostly composed of carbon dioxide, nitrogen and argon gases. Mars does not have any rings, but it is estimated that its moon, Phobos, will crash into Mars in about 50 million years, possibly creating a ring system. Afterwards, Mars doesn't have a magnetic field, but certain areas are highly magnetized, indicating traces of a magnetic field from 4 billion years ago. It lacks an active plate tectonic system. Through continuous observations and analysis, it is strongly believed that Mars was once very similar to Earth, possessing water or even whole oceans. Recent studies indicate that it may have water even now. Mars has been observed by many different cultures from around the world since hundreds of years. Because of this, it is impossible to credit anyone with its discovery, Mars being easily visible with the naked eye, though Phobos has a diameter of about 25 kilometers, while Deimos just 15 kilometers. They look very much like asteroids, and it is strongly believed that they have been captured by Mars' gravity from the nearby asteroid belt. Phobos orbits Mars only 6.000 kilometers over the surface, moving so rapidly in its orbit that it orbits faster than Mars rotates. Tides from Mars are also altering its orbit, slowly lowering Phobos closer and closer to the surface. It is believed that in a few million years Phobos will drop low enough that it will actually enter the atmosphere and impact the surface. On June 7, 2018, NASA announced that the Curiosity rover had discovered organic compounds in sedimentary rocks dating to 3 billion years old, indicating that some of the building blocks for life were present. In July 2018, scientists reported the discovery of a subglacial lake on Mars, the first known stable body of water on the planet. It sits 1.5 kilometers below the surface at the base of the southern polar ice cap and is about 20 kilometers wide. Out of all the planets in the solar system, Mars appears to have the highest change of having life forms, but still the conditions are harsh enough that nothing should be able to survive there, perhaps only beneath the surface. Did you know? It is about 50% farther from the Sun than Earth. If you weigh 100 kilograms on Earth, on Mars your weight would be 38 kilograms. Mars is the outermost terrestrial planet outside Earth's orbit. Theoretically, Mars is populated by robots since we sent so many there. Mars has captured our imagination so much that it has spanned countless adaptations on TV, literature, and it may as well be the most popular planet after Earth. On Mars the Sun appears about half the size as it does on Earth. A year on Mars is almost twice as long as a year on Earth. It would take more than 6 Mars to fill the volume of Earth. Almost 7 million Mars can fit in the Sun.